Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the account type because restoration steps differ for Exchange, IMAP, POP, or Outlook. Open the Outlook desktop app and focus the search box. Press Ctrl+E to activate search tools. Once done, make sure your mailbox is fully indexed. Go to Indexing Options and verify progress and attach any archived PSD files via File Open Outlook data file. Do this now so you can run targeted searches immediately and avoid missing old folders. Now perform a deep search using Advanced Find or the Search Tools ribbon. Specify from, subject, and date ranges to narrow results, and toggle between current folder, subfolders, and all mailboxes so nothing is skipped. Include deleted items and archive in the scope, then apply keywords and Boolean operators like and or not to refine. For older volume, filter by message size or exact date spans. This reduces noise and surfaces the exact message you need faster, while explaining why broader. Finish by recovering and preserving the messages you located. If they reside in deleted items or recoverable items, restore them to an active folder, then export those messages to a new PSD or save individual items as MSG or EML for backup. Make sure to update folder permissions if you need to share. If messages remain missing, rebuild Outlook search index, verify auto archive settings, and check server retention policies, and, if necessary, contact your admin so they can inspect server-side retention or backups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.